How to see old Snapchat convos. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see your old Snapchat convos. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. To see your old conversations, you need to download all your Snapchat data. So to download the data, open Snapchat app, tap on your profile, then tap on settings. Scroll down till the end. Tap on data. Enter your username and password and sign in. It may ask you to verify your account. So let me verify my account quickly. My data page will open after the verification is done. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Enter your email here to confirm and tap on Submit Request. In a few minutes, Snapchat will send you a link to download all of your data to your email. You will receive an email like this. Tap on Click here to download all your data. Enter your email and password and tap on Login. Now your data is ready to download. Tap here to download your data. After your data is downloaded, go to Downloads. The data will be in a zip file. If your phone doesn't have a zip extractor app, then you can download this app, .rar. It is available for both Android and iOS devices. Then tap on the file. Tap on .rar. The zip file will open. Then tap on HTML. Tap on Chat History. Tap on any browser. Your entire chat history will open. So this is how you can see old Snapchat convos.